I can actually start using AI today. Most students are preparing for a world that no longer exists. They are studying harder, taking more notes, trying to memorize everything. Meanwhile, a new kind of student is emerging. A student who knows how to use AI to learn faster, think better, and produce smarter work. Set the context. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace students. It is here to upgrade how students learn. Those who understand how to use it will graduate with an unfair advantage. Tool 1 AI for understanding complex topics. The first use of AI is not writing assignments. It is understanding difficult subjects. Instead of rereading textbooks 5 times, students can now break down complex ideas into simpler explanations instantly. Tool 2 AI for structuring assignments. Many students struggle not because they don't know the answer, but because they don't know how to organize their thoughts. AI can help structure essays, reports, and projects into clear formats, allowing students to focus on ideas, not confusion. Tool 3 AI for time management and study planning. One of the biggest challenges in education is not intelligence, it is managing time. AI can now create personalized study schedules, helping students cover more material without burnout. Tool 4 AI for technical and practical skills. For students in technical fields, AI is becoming a powerful partner. It can assist in problem solving, simulations, calculations, and understanding real-world applications of what is taught in class. This is where education begins to connect with industry. Tool 5 AI for career preparation. Graduation is no longer just about passing exams. It is about being ready to work, solve problems, and adapt quickly. Students using AI are already practicing how to think, research, and produce like professionals. CTA. The future will not reward those who simply studied. It will reward those who learned how to learn better. This channel is here to guide you through that transition, from traditional education to intelligent preparation. If you want to stay ahead, stay connected.
If this video inspired you, hit subscribe and join us here at I&MAI Vision Hub, where artificial intelligence meets inspiration. The future is not a threat, it's an invitation.